Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to clean the microphone on your phone, Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be flexible, soft or medium hard. Not hard because that will scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to help loosen the dirt so it comes out of the opening of the microphone, and then so it evaporates and leaves no trace behind. You can buy both of these things as a set on Amazon or Allegro. And if you don't have those, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's exactly as I mentioned earlier, soft or especially open bristles, otherwise you might scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on, so if it's on, you need to turn it off first. We sprinkle some alcohol on the toothbrush. If you don't have a diffuser, you can use a small container, pour a little alcohol into it, and then dip the toothbrush in. We take the phone in our hand. The microphone is here, this little hole. This hole is for the microphone. And now we move the toothbrush in this direction and clean the opening. 10 to 15 strokes in one direction. Then do the same in the other direction. 10 to 15 strokes. Then towards the display side, about 10 to 15 strokes. And do the same on the back cover side, 10 to 15 strokes. If it's very dirty, you can repeat this process 2 to 3 times, so about 30 to 40 strokes in one direction to perform this movement. Then the microphone opening will be perfectly clean. As I said, a few times in each direction, not changing direction every time, because if you keep switching, you're just moving the debris around inside the hole instead of actually removing it. After the procedure, we set the phone aside and pick it up again. On the other side, we have a second microphone here. Here's the opening, which we also need to clean in the same way. So just like with the other microphone, we clean this second opening 10 to 15 times in one direction. This microphone is responsible for noise cancellation, for muting the surroundings during calls, for speakerphone conversations, and for recording with the voice recorder, and so on. If you clean only one microphone and not the other, it may cause the problem you had to remain unresolved. But by cleaning both microphones, the issues are almost always resolved without any trouble, and the phones work like new. It is very rare for a microphone to be damaged on its own, unless it was simply flooded, and flooded so badly that even a waterproof phone like the A52s couldn't withstand it. After the whole procedure, we put the phone back on the table for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate, and after that time we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.